Hi, I'm Scott, and today I get to show off the Delightly Set in Stone kit. Every kit is hand-selected and ready to give, whether that's to your recipient's desk or directly to their doorstep. Tucked within this magnetic closure box, shock the room with the power of our bamboo cement speaker with phone charger. This speaker allows for personalization, making sure you stand out. Need ideas? We've got a talented team and a catalog of designs for you to take advantage of to create the perfect moment of recognition. Next in the lineup, we've got a 14-ounce ceramic mug to fuel their motivation and their dedication with a message of appreciation. Even better, it's got a cork base to function as a built-in coaster. We'll admit it, we're prone to snacking. That's why to keep your energy up, we've included the Meyer Pistachio B12 Energy Bar. This is the perfect jolt to keep you engaged for your next brainstorming session. It'll be hard to put this journal down. Our Faux concrete journal is the perfect item for your next meeting that's sure to get a second look from your teammates. Last but not least, all of our Delightly kits include a 3x5 card featuring a sweet sentiment. The back is blank for you to add a personal note or to leave as is for ready-to-go giving. Personalized kits have the option of adding a typed note to the back of the card, or you can handwrite your own message. Whether you're celebrating a new hire, keeping at-home motivation up, or simply thanking your team, this kit is sure to remind them that your appreciation of their efforts are set in stone.